Hey, what's up, my YouTube friends? Welcome to my review of this knife. This knife was $26. It's sold as the Old Timer Trail Boss Drop Point Folding Knife. I took it out to the creek. That's me. What's up? Waving to you. What's up, all my people? I am glad you are here watching this review. Here's a closer look at the knife. It has open pillar construction. It has a single position pocket clip. You see a choil on the blade there. It is a partial hollow grind. The steel is listed only as 8CR stainless. The blade length is 3.5 inches. It has a lot of belly on it. I think it does have a winning blade shape. It is a liner lock. There's jimping on the liner. It does lock up securely. There's a few ways to open this. It has an index flipper. It also has two thumb studs you see there. So you can flick it open. Right, that's my offhand. But the deployment works pretty well. Here's the flipper. Boom. I cut a variety of materials with this knife. Here it is on some paracord. That was pretty easy. Next up we've got the seatbelt type material. So Old Timer, that's a brand that is closely related to Schrade, if you didn't know. And it does well at slicing through that seatbelt type material. Very good. Next up, got a piece of a box. The old utility knife test. Yes, it can be used as such. That's how thick. Alright, got some wood. Gonna whittle on this wood. I sped up this footage because, hey, your time is valuable. I hope you like the background there. I'm at the creek. I was actually at the creek testing some BUSHCRAFT fixed blades, as well as shooting. Those are my shooting gloves, but I brought this folder along too. Alright, there you go. So there's our crayon of wood. When I first got the knife, I tested the initial sharpness on a piece of paper. So here's that. So there you go. You want to see a close-up of that hollow grind in the edge? It came pretty sharp for such an inexpensive knife. Here is the pocket clip being a pocket clip. You know, you got one position option, but seems to work okay. There's a close-up of that pocket clip for you. This knife has a hunting knife profile. It has a lot of belly. Look at the curve there. It is specialized for piercing and slicing, basically, which is a good thing. My final thoughts, I definitely think it's worth the low price. I think it's priced correctly. Now, this was $26. I will include a link below the video to this and other budget blades. But I bet you could find this for even less if you maybe find it in your local area or wait till it goes on sale. But even at $26, I definitely think it's worth it as a budget beater knife. This is not the kind of knife that you buy as a fancy collectible. This is an inexpensive knife that you buy to actually use or maybe to give as a gift. Alright, so for that purpose, I like it a lot. Check out the links below the video. Those do help the channel. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.